How to create bootable USB or Windows 10. Sus ko ginoo ni. So guys, as you can see, ito yung first step natin. Make sure to use a flash drive or USB that don't have any files at least 8 GB or more. Mas better if 16 GB. So dito, go to your browser type and yan, download the Windows 10. Nga pala Windows 10. Scroll down, click download, then install. Actually guys, so ang hirap talaga mag-download kasi minsan hindi mo makikita sa Google or sa Chrome yung hinahanap mo, something like that, yung parang hindi mo pa nakasanayan yung pagda-download na application for sa Chrome. So proceed tayo dito, then here we go. Then don't forget to read that, and mas importante kasi yan kasi mga following steps yan or something ganun, or pwede ba yun? Create installation mode. Mga options. Then click next. Pagkatapos nyan. After that, so click the next and then proceed for another. Choose which media to use. USB flash drive. ESO file. So, kasi gumamit tayo ng USB. So, dito na tayo sa flash drive natin. So next is, while waiting, follow me on TikTok and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Ria DIY. More than an hour mo po na siya mag-download. So guys, proceed tayo sa next. Kasi natapos na natin. Parang ka pala maghintay. So next, setup is cleaning up before it closes. So wait na naman tayo for 1 hour more on. So here we go. Yan. Mga basic steps lang po yan. So, tayo sa back page ba yun? Wala. So, as you can see guys, yun lang po.